Now we will see remaining options, that is cells and editing. In cell group, we have option insert. Here we have selected the option insert cell. Now I am selecting this option. Then it will insert the new cell by shifting the selected cell to down. Here we can see this cell is shifted to down. In same way, I am selecting the option shift cells right. Now it is shifted to right side and we got two new cells. We can insert entire row and column with the help of these two options. In same way, we have another option to insert row, that is insert sheet rows. Now a new row is added to this sheet. And we can also add new column by using the option insert sheet column. Already we have 3 sheets, and if we want to add another sheet, then we have to click on insert sheet option. Here we can see 4th sheet. Next, I want to delete this cell. So select delete, delete cells, shift cells up. Now the cell is deleted and these cells are shifted to up. Next, I want to delete this cell. So I am selecting shift cells left. And I want to delete this column. So select the option delete sheet column. Like this, we can also delete this row by selecting the option delete sheet row. And if we want to delete this sheet, then select the option delete sheet. Now the 4th sheet is deleted. Like this, we can use the option insert and delete. In format, we have option row height. Here I am giving 20. Now the row height is increased. If we click on auto fit row height option, then automatically it will fit according to the data. Next option is column width. Here I am giving 12. Now it will shows like this. If we click on auto fit column width option, then it will fit according to the data and it will shows like this. Now I am selecting this data and click on this option and it is fit according to the data. Next option is default width. Generally, the column width will be 8.43, but now I am giving 12. Now we can observe that the remaining column width is increased, but width of these columns are not increased because we have selected auto fit option for these columns. We have a chance to hide or unhide the rows, columns and sheets. For example, if you want to hide these rows, then select the option Format, Hide Rows. Now the rows are not displayed. And again, if you want to show that rows, then select Unhide Rows option, then it will display the rows. In same way, we can also hide and unhide the columns. Next, I am selecting Hide Sheet option. Then the first sheet is not displayed and we have only second and third sheet. Now select Unhide Sheet option and here I am selecting sheet 1. Now we can see first sheet. Next option is Rename Sheet. This option is used to give a new name. Here we have given students details so I am giving name as a students. In second sheet, we have employees details, so I am giving name as a employees. Like this, we can change the name of the sheet. Next, we have option move or copy. If you want to place the students data after the employees data, here we have move selected sheet before sheet. Now we have to move the employees sheet before the students sheet. So select students and click on OK button. Here we can see that the employees details are moved to first, and next we have students details. And we can also make a copy for the selected sheet. So select move or copy sheet and click on the option create a copy. Then it will create a new copy. Next option is tab color. With the help of this option, we can give different types of colors for the tabs. Next one is protect sheet. Here we can see allow all users of this worksheet to. It means we have to select the option that which type of function is allowed to the users when we protect the sheet. Here we have selected these two options. If we want, we can select remaining options also. Here we have to give password, and again we have to type the same password. Now we can't enter any data in this sheet, and all the options are in disable mode. Now I am selecting the option unprotect sheet, and here we have to give password, then this sheet becomes unprotect. Now we can type any data. Next option is log cell. This option is used to log the selected cells, and we can also unlock the locked cells. Next option is format cell. Already we have learned about these options: number, alignment, font, border, etc.